Good morning. My name is Khushi Karia and I am from India. I'm an international student here in Sydney. So I'm studying Diploma in Information Technology at UTS College right now. For me, the CareerSmart program has been really helpful because one, I'm an international student, so I do not have that much knowledge of how the career education program is. Plus, I'm a diploma student right now, so I need to prepare myself for the future. It's not like that I can sit and the future will be, decided. So I have to work for it from this point. So this CareerSmart program really aligns with my interests, and it helps me to decide a goal for myself, decide a path for myself, design a path for myself. And this program was 9.5 for me. I just loved every detail of this program, how it took me on different points of career and jobs and interviews and more educational programs to attend. So this type of knowledge is really important for a student who is like in diploma right now and then going forward to their bachelor's. And I would definitely recommend to my friend about this program. And in fact, I have already started recommending them so that they can also, take benefits of all the student services provided by this program, and as well as UTS College on Canvas and every other aspect. From what I learned in CareerSmart, what I liked the best was the interview. So they really prepared me for the real-life interview, the real-life experience of how I would be answering my own answers in front of different people and not being scared in front of those many people when I'm around them. So it's really like a good real-life experience for me. So from the beginning, the CareerSmart program has always been helping me to figure out my own aspirations. I did have my aspirations and my goal set for the career, but it's just that you need a good path to reach your goal. So that's how the CareerSmart program developed my own path to reach that goal for me. As well as the design of this program is really, detailed. So it takes you through several steps in building up. So it starts from, getting to know what your goal exactly is to reaching your goal. So that's what the most important part of this program is. So this CareerSmart program allows you to be on Canvas, as all the students are always on the Canvas. It's one of the student support services they provide. So in the Canvas, they have a good outline of how the program works. So they start from how you need to search for your job applications, how you need to look for the different resources. They also provide you a number of sites that you can look to, and then it takes you to how you need to apply. So they provide that type of things in the Canvas. And also they take you from different starts of like interview, how the questions can be, how you can design your answer for these questions, how to dress up well, how to reach on time in front of the interviewee, how to address interview, how to take breaks in between. So that's like the outline of the interview, and then it takes you to reaching your goal.